Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. This time we are looking at Cat Crimes. This is a 2017 board game from Think Fun. There are 40 crimes to solve from beginning to expert, ages 8 to adult, single player. You don't see a lot of single player board games, so that actually fascinated me, and I thought it could be interesting. So this includes the game board, 6 cat tokens with token stands, 6 crime tokens, 40 challenge cards with the solutions. So it's just not going to leave you hanging. You're going to have to solve it. Nope. They actually will tell you how to solve it, or what the correct answer is. So I picked this up on a whim. Found it at a fairly reasonable price, and it's obviously new, so couldn't really turn it down. And mostly I got it for the single player aspect. And it's got cute kitties on it. Alright, so here we have the instruction manual. Oh, it's stapled. Ooh, that's fancy. It's in color. It's got really nice quality paper too. Wow, this is better than a lot of the Hasbro stuff. So, yeah, nice layout there. Alright, cool. So here we've got our kitty cats. We've got Pipsqueak, Sassy, and Tomcat. Oh, these are nice and thick boards too. Look at that. Same on the front and back. And then we've got Ginger, Duchess, and Mr. Mittens. Ginger looks like he knows something. He's a witness. Nice thickness on that though. And here's the stands for those. Pretty straightforward. Here we've got our tokens. It's the same on front and back from the look of it. Again, good thickness on the cardstock, nice quality. Alright, here we've got our board. This is actually 2 pieces glued together, so be aware of that. Pretty nice, actually. Nice quality. Then we've got our card deck, which are challenge cards. So we might be getting into spoilers, so here's your warning on that one. Spoiler alert, in case you don't want to see how it plays out. Alright, let's take a look at our card deck and see what these look like. Okay, like I said, there should be 40 cards here. This is a sealed copy, so it should be complete. So let's see what we've got. Ooh, they wrapped them too. Nice. How do I get them out? There's no perforation. Oh yeah, there is. Okay, good. Not like these things work very often anyway. Alright, so these have the guilty on the back, so we'll do those last. If you want to see that, that way you can jump ahead if you want to see who did it. But we're not going to ruin that on the first pass through. These are numbered. Beginner 3, beginner 4. Who swallowed the fish? Well, that's a mystery that needs solved. So we've got 10 beginner cards. I'm guessing it's that way for each level. Then intermediate is 11 through 20. And the intermediate are yellow, beginner were green. Then we get into advanced with 21 through 30. And then 31 through 40 are expert level. They're red as opposed to the blue advanced. And finally, number 40. Alright, card quality is good. These are actually really nice cards. I do like that the box is set up so the tokens and stuff will all fit inside. It does look like this is a generic tray though. So, alright, let's look at the solutions. This, spoiler alert, all that. And these are numbered in the bottom right corner. So we will go through them from the beginning. So this is your last warning if you want to play this game and don't want to know who did it, in case you might remember. Just go ahead and shut the video off now or skip to the very end or whatever you want to do. So here we go. And that's all 10 of the beginner ones. So now we go to intermediate, number 11. And our last intermediate is there. Now we move on to the blue cards, which are advanced. And that's it for advanced. Let's check out expert. These are the red cards. Card 31. And finally, okay, so that's all the solutions for those of you that either want to cheat or just look at the pretty art. The art's not bad on these. I'm actually kind of surprised. And the fact they put them in this nice little box is pretty handy as well. Okay, that's what's inside Cat Crimes from Think Fun. Ages 8 to adult, single player. For those of you that are diehard board game players and crazy cat ladies. It actually looks pretty fun. The quality is really, really there. I'm actually shocked by that considering this was less than $10. Real surprised by how much quality is in this. The card stock is really good. The art's solid. The cards are very, very nice. Everything really comes together to give a great presentation. Now, the quality of the game, if you're a diehard game player, some of these may be a little easier than others. I mean, this could be your 221B Baker Street versus the other Sherlock Holmes ones. And 221B is roundly hated if you're doing, like, Mythos. So, there's that. But it does look like it's a pretty straightforward, fun game that you could play by yourself and kill 20 minutes. Could be a good time. So I thought it was really, really nice presentation, and I'm going to recommend it just because it is a solo play game, and there aren't that many out there that are designed to be played by yourself. So if you're looking for something that you can occupy your time with, I think this looks fun, and it's cute. But that's going to do it for this one. We've seen what's in the box. You've heard my take on it. That's going to wrap up this episode. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future unboxings and reviews. If you'd like to help the channel out in other ways, links are in the description to various support methods. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.